Think your Agile transformation is on track? You might want to think again. Many CEOs are unknowingly making critical mistakes that could cost them time, money, and morale. In this video, I'm breaking down what CEOs often get wrong about Agile, the costly mistakes to avoid, and how to ensure your teams are set up for success. By the end, you'll have actionable insights to transform your Agile leadership. Hi, I'm Aristides Rosales with over 20 years experience in Agile project management. I've worked alongside successful CEOs lead successful Agile transformation. Let's dive in. Common misstep number 1, treating Agile as a checklist. Many CEOs see Agile as another box to check off, focusing solely on implementing frameworks like Scrum or SAFe. This leads to superficial adoption where teams follow processes without delivering meaningful results. Agile is a mindset, not just a methodology. Shift your focus from doing Agile to being Agile, empathizing, adaptability, collaboration, and value-driven delivery. Common misstep number 2, failing empowering the teams. Agile thrives on empowered teams, but some CEOs struggle to delegate authority, holding into top-down control. This creates bottlenecks, stifles creativity, and slows down decision-making. The solution? Trust your teams. Empower them to make decisions within their scope and provide the resources they need to succeed. Your job is to clear the path, not to control it. Common misstep number 3, focusing on outputs rather than outcomes. It's tempting to measure Agile success by outputs, like velocity or completed sprints, but these metrics don't reflect real value. Teams might hit their sprint goals, but if the work doesn't deliver business value, it's gonna be meaningless. Prioritize metrics that measure outcomes like customer satisfaction, business impact, and team morale. Remember, Agile is about delivering value, not outputs. Common misstep number 4, scaling too quickly without building a solid foundation. Some CEOs rush to scale Agile across the entire organization before teams have mastered the basics. This leads to inconsistent practices, confusion, and burnout. Start small. Build a strong foundation with a pilot team. Refine your processes and scale gradually with proven success theories. Common misstep number 5, overlooking the importance of culture. Agile isn't about the processes. It's a cultural transformation. Without a culture of trust, transparency, and continuous learning, Agile won't stick. Teams become disengaged and Agile turns it out into just another failed initiative. As a CEO, lead by example, embrace the Agile mindset, encourage open communication, and celebrate small wins to foster a culture of trust and collaboration. To recap, the 5 common mistakes CEOs make are treating Agile as a checklist, failing to empower teams, focusing on outputs instead of outcomes, and scaling too quickly, and overlooking culture. By addressing these, you can unlock Agile full potential. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and share this with your leadership. This supports the channel greatly. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Remember, Agile success starts from the top. If you continue to lead the teams with your focus and mindset and the tonality that's important, you'll be very successful. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, now is the time to understand here. This is the outro, and I'll be authentic here. I've been practicing and procrastinating building this 3rd video of mine for the last few days. And had some technical glitches with the camera setup and what would be the best output. And actually, while filming this video, I had a little bit of camera problem. But I told myself, those are the challenges. But if I don't listen to what I'm saying when I'm editing it, then we'll go with it. The video can't be perfect, but it will be the best output at any given day. Now, looking at the Agile, over the last 20 years, what I've seen really important, it's out of the 5 things that I mentioned there, is really the culture. The culture is very important, and I think I mentioned this earlier when the common misstep number 5 is overlooking the importance of culture. It's not about the processes, meaning Agile is not about the processes. It's a cultural transformation. Whether it's a startup team of 10 people, or whether it's a very big corporation with a research and development arm and a manufacturing arm and a service delivery arm with thousands of employees, it's not just about the processes. It's really about the culture. Without the culture of trust, transparency, and the drive to continuously learn, Agile won't last. I've partnered with a lot of executives and CEOs of these startups and these big corporations in North America and their teams offshore. And one thing that's common between them is if you really want to do a massive transformation, the culture should change. There should be a shift in culture. Without that, I think Agile will not be successful. So we will dive more about this over the next few videos, but that's actually the message that I want to share today. Just being authentic. So now, we'll see you on the next video.